Hello everyone. In this video, I will be sharing another US FDA new drug approval update. On May 13, 2026, the US FDA granted an accelerated approval for a small molecule oral BCL-2 inhibitor, BEQALZI, Sonrotoclax. Specifically, this new once-daily oral pill therapy is indicated for the treatment for adult patients with relapsed or refractory mantle cell lymphoma (MCL) after at least 2 lines of systemic therapy, including a Bruton's tyrosine kinase (BTK) inhibitor. Mantle cell lymphoma is a rare blood cancer and generally aggressive, a subtype of non-Hodgkin B-cell lymphoma. Now, let's dive into this medication in more detail. Sonrotoclax, brand name BEQALZI. This medication was approved by the US FDA on May 13, 2026, and indicated for the treatment for adult patients with relapsed or refractory mantle cell lymphoma (MCL) after at least 2 lines of systemic therapy, including a Bruton's tyrosine kinase (BTK) inhibitor. Chemically, BEQALZI is an oral small molecule anti-cancer agent. Molecule weight 890.11 gram per mole. Hydrogen bond acceptor 14. Hydrogen bond acceptor refers to the number of nitrogen and oxygen within the drug molecule. Hydrogen bond donor 4. Hydrogen bond donor refers to the number of OH and NH groups within the drug molecule. Log P 10.19, which is a lipophilicity parameter for the drug molecule. The higher log P, the more lipophilic drug molecule. Polar surface area 194 square angstrom. This medication is available as tablets. The strength of the tablets are 1 mg, 5 mg, 20 mg, and 80 mg. With active pharmaceutical ingredients, Sonrotoclax. Recommended dosage 320 mg, taken orally once daily following completion of a 4-week dose ramp-up schedule. Swallow tablets whole with food and water. Do not break, chew, or crush tablets. Mechanistically, this medication works as an inhibitor of B-cell lymphoma 2, BCL-2 protein. Overexpression of BCL-2 mediates cell survival and is associated with anti-cancer resistance in various cancers. Specifically, Sonrotoclax binds to the BCL-2 protein, displacing pro-apoptotic proteins to induce apoptosis in cancer cells. Pharmacokinetically, Tmax, the median time to reach the maximal plasma concentration is 4 hours. The mean apparent volume of distribution of Sonrotoclax is 482 liters. The plasma protein binding is 99%. Metabolism. Sonrotoclax is primarily metabolized by the CYP3A enzyme, along with CYP2C8. The mean terminal elimination half-life ranges from 4 to 6 hours. Excretion. In the urine, 0.28% with 0.04% as parent drug molecule. In the feces, 86%, but 19.5% as parent drug molecule. Drug-drug interactions. Given that Sonrotoclax is primarily metabolized by CYP3A enzyme, CYP3A inhibitors and inducers can increase or decrease the drug exposure of Sonrotoclax respectively. Therefore, for strong CYP3A inhibitors, contraindicated at initiation and during the wrap-up phase, reduce target dose after wrap-up. For moderate CYP3 inhibitors, avoid concomitant use at 1 mg and 2 mg doses of BEQALZI and reduce all other doses. For strong or moderate CYP3 inducers, avoid concomitant use. Contraindications: concomitant use of Sonrotoclax with strong CYP3 inhibitors at initiation and during the wrap-up phase. The most common adverse reactions, greater than or equal to 15%, associated with Sonrotoclax include pneumonia and fatigue. The most common grade 3 to 4 laboratory abnormalities, greater than or equal to 15%, are decreases in lymphocytes and neutrophils. Here are the key references which I have used to prepare for today's video. The US FDA New Drug Approval Update for 2026 is a very valuable resource. In addition, most of the medication information which I share today is based on BEQALZI prescribing information. This document is available at the US FDA drug website, along with the drug manufacturer website. Finally, I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe for future medication video updates. As always, keep learning and elevating. Thank you so much.